welcome to another lesson again on the English vowels, and today's lesson is on vowel number 5. We've looked at different vowels, like 4 vowels now, and we're in the 5th vowel, okay? If you want to know more about the vowels, I'll try to place the card up here and I'll place the link in the description box. So you go to the playlist and watch the lessons on all the English vowels and learn how to pronounce your vowels properly. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. The name is Extra Stance Academy. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to place a comment in the comment section. Today's lesson is on this sound. The sound is ah. Ah. So all you have to do is open your mouth. Just open your mouth, you drop your jaw, and let the tip of your tongue touch the back of your lower front teeth. Your lower front teeth, let the tip of your tongue touch the back with your jaw dropped and your mouth fully open with the tongue very flat and low in the mouth. So you find out that the back of the tongue stretches out a little bit, and it's also a long sound. So let's produce the sound ah. Just open your mouth and make a sound. Ah. 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 It's a long sound, don't forget. Ah. Okay? It is mainly the sound for the digraph A-R. So whenever you see a R in most words, if not all words, you say the sound ah. Ah. Let's look at some spelling variants with the sound ah. We have it in words with A, as in grass, father. And we have it in AR in car, shark. So you find that in AR, it is not car. You don't hear the sound. Neither is it shark. So AR have the sound R. Car. Shark. Okay, and we also have it in AL. Palm. Half. In AL also, you don't say palm. So the L is silent. What you hear is the R sound. So AL make the sound R. Or you could say the L is silent in words with AL, where you have words like palm and half, not palm. Neither is it half. So it is palm, half. Okay. The sound is also in AU in words like aunt and laugh. So it is not aunt. Neither is it aunt. That word is not aunt. In British pronunciation, the word is aunt with the long R. Not ant. Not ant the insect, but aunt. Aunt. And laugh. Laugh. Good. We also have it in EAR words like heart, heart, and horse, horse. Then we have it lastly in word with ER. Yes, we have it in this word, clock, clock. Not all ER words, ER words can also have different sound. But in this ER word, this word clock, it is not pronounced clerk, nor click, but it is clock, clock. Let's look at this sentence and try to pick out the words with the sound R in the sentence. Let's take the sentence slowly. The clock waited at the car park for my father and aunt. The clock waited at the car park for my father and aunt. The clock waited at the car park for my father and aunt. Now let's look at the sentence and bring up words with the sound R. Yes, we have it in clock, clock. Good. We also have it in car, car. And we have it in park. Any other words? Yes, it's in father and also in aunt. So we have clock, car, park, father, and aunt having the sound R. Let's look at more sentences with the sound R and try to pick out the words with the sound in these sentences. She's going to the park. She's going to the park. He has a good heart. He has a good heart. I like art. I like art. We have two arms. We have two arms. I don't like the dark. I don't like the dark. Hope you're able to identify the words with the sound R. Now my task for you today is to produce these words. So try to produce these words yourself. Let's produce them together. Garage, garage. Park, park. Castle, castle. Chart, chart. Heart, heart. Arm, arm. Clock, clock. Banana, banana. Tomato, tomato. Dark, dark. Okay, I hope you got the words properly and I hope you learned the sound for the day, the sound R. And also when you're producing your words, be conscious of your pronunciation and you will get the sounds properly. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and if you still haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Press the subscribe button and also do well to share this video with your friends, family members and loved ones. Stay connected to the videos on the English vowels. Our next lesson on vowel number 6. I'll see you there. Take care. Bye for now.